What's going on, YouTube? Jeff coming at you. Day 2, we're starting to do some body work now. So you see, I got my door stripped apart here. I got all the interior door panels removed and stuff. I've removed the weather seal around the door. And just before I go on to stripping some other stuff, I got some rust I gotta fix here. All along the bottom. But it's not bad. It's not really through. And I think a wire wheel is gonna get it off and stuff. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit it with a rust inhibitor, and any rust that could be still in the bottom of the doors will be chemically altered into something magical afterwards. Enough where I can prime and paint and it's not gonna come back afterwards. So let's give this a shot. These little wires love to wing out, so safety glasses always, okay? Let's see what we can do. So, not too bad so far. Let's take you guys in for a closer look. You can see right here, there used to be a lot of seam sealer, same as this right here. And this is sort of opened up a little bit. So what I might have to do, might have to address this a little more right down here. I might have to pinch this back flatter with some vice grips. And I may even just tack weld a little bit of this, but it's starting to clean up pretty good. A little bit right down here, a little bit of the metal is gone, but I think once I pinch this back flat and run a bead down there, I don't think it should be a problem at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and tackle some more stuff like this. Even stuff, like right here, that stuff all has to be gone. You can just take your old wire wheel and so even the little stuff like that you got to address. You got to make sure that there's no rust, because you could put 80 to 100 hours into body work in this thing and spend good money on primers and paints. But if you don't have all that stuff sorted out, it's only going to be a matter of months to a year before all those cancer spots come back and stuff. So that's what I'm going to be doing probably for the next day or two. I'm going to be taking off some more trim and just addressing any rust that I can see right off the bat, either with a wire wheel, sandpaper. Just hunting right down now for orbital DA sander, and that's what I'm going to be doing all the body with and stuff. Probably start with 320 grit. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be up to for the next couple of days. I'll check back in with you guys in a day or two. Like, share, subscribe. Talk to you guys later.